Hi, welcome to Coachapi. Today we're going to see the demo for chatbot app using machine learning project. Let's see how to start the project. These are the project folders. First open the Visual Studio Code and open it. These are the Visual Studios. First I will import the project folders. These are the project folders. First we can click the SRC folder. These are the source coder. Come back to the project folders. Open the Notepad++. You can import the project folders. First you can click the download files and open it. These are the download files. First you can click download Miniconda. Next you can Visual Studios and Notepad++. Next you can open the readme files. These are the readme files. What are the details? You can view all the details. Let's see how to start the machine learning project. First open the Anaconda prompt. Only run as administration. You can click the run as administrations and open it. These are the prompt. Come back to the readme files. Step 1. CD and project path. Come back to the project folders and copy the project path and paste the command prompt CD plus project path. Click enter. You can go back to the project folders. Next come back to the readme files. You can view the step 2. You can copy the command install of the requirement. You can install the requirement. You can copy the command and paste the command prompt and click enter. You can automatically you can install their requirements. You can what are the requirements installed, you can automatically installed. Next come back to the readme files. First you can get the run project. Step 3. You can copy the command and paste the command prompt. You can click the enter. You can automate the sample chatbot as open. This is for the first chatbot open. This is for the chatbot. You can come back to the readme files. You can prompt 1. You can what are the prompt 1? You can copy the increment apples and paste the command prompt. You can paste the chatbot. You automatically count 1. You can automatically. If you want to increase in another apple, you can automatically answer was count 2. Next, show apple. You can enter the show apple. You will automatically view the answer. What are the apples are there? You can view all the details. Next, you can copy the remember earth in around the sun. These are the questions asked the answer. You can scroll the answer. If you enter the remember earth in sun, automatically answer out viewed. I will remember earth in around the sun. Next, tell me about the earth. If you want to enter tell me about the earth, you can automatically answer was viewed. The earth is around the sun. These are the questions and these are the answers. If you want to, for example, increment apples or increment mango, anything you can enter. This is for the example. What are the examples are there? You can automatically, if you import the questions, you automatically view the answer. In another examples, increment apple or increment mango, you can enter is count, automatically viewed the count 1. If you want to show the mango, you can show 1. Okay, this is for the first command. You can output. Next you can go to the second command. You can copy the command run project and paste the command prompt and click enter. Next chatbot are open. This is for the second project. You can go to the readme files, you can click view the prompt 2. What are the questions are there? First you can copy the do you know about first question and paste the chatbot. You can paste it. Do you want about, for example, India or Delhi, anything you can enter it. What are the questions you can enter? You can automatically view the answer. You can view all the details. India is, you can India about, what are the India about, you can view all the informations are there. You can view all the details. Next you can go back to the readme files. You can, what is, you can copy and paste the, for example, paste the chatbot. For example, what is cricket or what is IPL. First you can enter the what is cricket and click enter. What are the questions you can import it, you can automatically view the answer. Cricket is a bat and ball. Current situations are all the details are there. You can view all the details. Next, for example, one more example, what is IPL. I will enter and answer was visible. You can view all the details. What are the, if you want to the current, you can view current details also are there. Okay, for example, the current champion was Chennai Kings Super Kings 2023. You can view all the details are there. Next, for example, one more example, what is AI or what is computer. You can anything you can enter it. Answer all we can view it. You can view all the answers are there. Next commander, who is. Next, go back to the chatbot and you can paste the who is MS Dhoni or who is APJ Abdul Kalam. Anything you can enter it and enter it. The answer full details are MS Dhoni. A full explain of the MS Dhoni about. You can view all the details. MS Dhoni was born, what born, you can date of birth, you can what are the cricket player, anything you can view it. Next command, tell me about. You can copy and paste the chatbot and tell me about Chennai or tell me about Pakistan or tell me about Singapore. Anything you can enter it. You can answer automatically. You can promote the view. You can view on answer details. What are the answers, you can view all the details. This is for the second project tools. These are the second project. First project, increment apple, show apples. Second project, what do you want app no, or what is cricket. This is for the second project. That's all about the chatbot app explanations. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.